Camera going, Sterling.
It's going.
It's going?
Yep.
All right. This is really happening. What's up, everybody? It's Grim, and this is it. GTS is different. Don't unsubscribe. We are working on getting a warehouse. We're going to get things back to normal as soon as we possibly can. But for today, it's back to basics.
Yeah, we're kind of right back where it started.
Right back. GTS, going back to our roots, going back to where we came from, started from the bottom. We went there. Now we're back again.
Well, it was just a detour.
It's a slight detour. We will get GTS back in action. Please don't unsubscribe. We need your support more than ever right now. As RWA Brandon, the Wubble Bubble bitch, is... Can I say it on YouTube? You know what? I'm going to say it on YouTube. He's no loop. God damn it. I'm pissed.
Girl, that was a little much.
I'm sorry, Sterling. Well, maybe I'll bleep it.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
For real... Last night on RWA, the son of a bitch has Robbie E., my YouTube Wrestling Figures heavyweight champion, is now over on their show.
How did he even do that?
Well, they talked to him and they said, look, you know, they're going to lose their warehouse. You might as well just come here. And Robbie, as our champion, took the belt home, was like, I'll defend the YouTube title all over the world. Remember when he used to have it, I let him go do indie shows and shit with it. He's like, well, I could go defend it on indie shows. Why can't I defend it on RWA? Because it's Wubble Bubble, bitch, and we want him dead.
You're damn right.
So,
now that we're here...
I know, it's raining, it's windy, it's fucking cold, it's the winter, and we don't have a warehouse, and those fucks, and they're gloating. We won. Anyway, fuck you didn't win shit, bitch. You can kick a man, you can knock a man down, but just like John Cena says, bitch, never give up. GTS will not go down without a fight. GTS will not go quietly into the night. We beat the YouTube demonetization. We conquered the pay-per-view debacle.
We did.
We survived.
We did. Now, Grim.
And we will survive this. Back to basics.
Well, speaking of, now that we're here,
Yeah, we remember what we used to do. We beat the shit out of people in the backyard.
Are we supposed to be?
Come on, dudes. Let's get wet.
We can't.
You got a wrestling ring?
Well, it's.
You brought the ring over
we have a ring.
The ring is in parts at Supergrams. My mom won't even let me set it up over there. She's worried we're going to get fines again.
The zoning codes.
Right.
Alright, so who do like backyard brawls? I'll hit you with the boogie board
I
a couple
can.
times.
You know what?
I'll
we
give
don't
you a
have
little
to-
beach buminator.
You're a face. You're on our side.
Oh yeah.
He goes, okay.
Who are we facing?
I got Dalton coming.
Oh, did you text
I
him?
texted him. I said, oh, Dalton, I got a spot for you on today's show. So we're going to kick his fucking ass as soon as we get here. We got tables, we got shovels, we got ladders. So
We'll bury that bitch.
what do we say? Let's do this! Sterling, hold the camera to announce us here.
Okay.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall! It is a fatal four-way backyard brawl! Introducing first, he is the king of shovel style. This is Grim! And my opponents, hailing from Surf City, New Jersey, this is Freddie Flamingo Ali!
This is my kind of weather. We're gonna get wet today.
And our opponent, hailing from Duhapole Cruz, Mexico. Wait, where's your mask? Bring it. Well, you know we were filming today.
We didn't have a ring.
El Jefe! Rojo!
Who is it?
Who's under the mask? And our opponent, he is a walking, talking transformable.
I'm the reason women watch wrestling. Shout out to Kamikaze. Hey, ding 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 boom.
There you go. Get in there, Sterling. Follow.
Here we go.
Tennis.
No, I don't want to play tennis.
Get him, bro!
I missed it.
Are you missing shots?
He won't go down.
There he goes.
One.
Hey, man.
One.
I'm gonna give him a concerto. Oh, that's solid steel, right?
That's solid steel right there, right, damn it. you going?
Lay him on the ground. We're gonna mow this motherfucker down.
Right in there.
Count it
One,
right.
two.
Oh, we gotta make him look strong.
He goes, gotta make him look strong. Come on, Dolphin.
Bring him this way.
Not like that.
Good one. Look at my table.
Yeah. Hey, wait a minute. For the old time's sake. We need ratings. We need ratings.
I'm ready.
We need ratings. Shut up. We need ratings. Do up. Get the tables. Get him like this. Get him like this. Get him like Ready? Yeah! Too stupid.
That's what he's doing. Wait, get away. That's my pit.
I want to pit.
I put him through the table, man.
Come on,
I'm gonna pit. I'm gonna see him.
1, 2, 3. It's over.
I was trying to fit. I had him.
Shaka! Sun's out, bums
I'm sick and
out.
tired of losing. This is like the 5th match in a row I've lost.
Well, theoretically, we didn't lose, but we didn't win.
He lost.
Yeah.
Loser.
Son of a bitch.
Balls. Worthless piece of shit.
So Grim, do I get like any titles or anything
Um,
now? Like, do
yeah.
you have any of our titles?
titles?
Yeah, give him the solid steel. Let's create the solid steel backyard championship.
Solid steel plank of wood.
Yeah. Here, and then wrap that around. There you go.
Wrap it around.
Here is your winner. A new solid steel wood backyard wrestling champion, Freddie Flamingo I.B.
Don't bum me out.
Hey, Dalton, eat it. Yeah. Oh.
This is a nice piece of hardware, man.
That is the greatest title in the history of our sport.
Oh, that's some fancy shit right there.
Hell yeah. The king of
Finally.
being not on time.
Wait, what? At least I make it.
At least you made it.
I show up.
The only one
I mean,
who was brave
Jay,
enough to
Joe,
come to
like,
Creative Pro with
nobody
me.
else is here.
Nobody else is here.
I would have went.
I appreciate it, guys.
You're the baby.
Well, I'm just saying.
Tell
I would've
everybody.
went.
Say, this is why I'm not around a lot. I have a baby now.
Well, yeah, I gotta
Everybody
get the
blames
coolest
me.
dude in diapers.
Everybody blames me.
I gotta hang out with
Coolest
him.
dude in diapers. I like
All right.
that. Yeah.
So now that Bale's here,
Yeah.
we don't want to kick Bale's ass, but what we could do, because we're exposing this, we might as well expose it. Put you in Slender Man. We'll put Freddie in a costume. Hold on. Here, hold this.
Oh, I got you.
Come here. I got the costumes in the truck.
Wait, Grim, you want to put me in a costume? I just won the solid steel wood plank championship. You want to put me in a costume?
Dude, no, are you
Want to be
seriously?
gladiator?
Dude, no.
No, what?
Dude,
It doesn't even cover my face.
dude, come on, man. This is
I
over.
got the Slender costume.
It's over, dude.
What do you mean it's over?
It's over.
We just had
Look
a
at us.
match.
We're wrestling in the backyard again.
Yeah.
You just ran a lawnmower over Dalton.
That was funny.
Wait.
It's over for you. It's over. Go in the house. It's all over. Before I call the fucking cops.
No, Donna, don't be an asshole.
No, it ain't over, Donna.
It's not over.
Go in the house.
Why can't we wrestle in the yard like we used to?
Take your big ass in the house.
Dude.
It's over.
It's over.
That's a mask of your face, Donna.
Grim, come
Whoa.
on. Chill out.
I'm not gonna let.
It ain't over, Donna.
I'm not gonna let your period, your menopause mode stop me, Donna.
Dude, it's
Go in
over.
the house.
The clowns. We can bring the clowns, dude.
Dude,
creepy clowns coming out
go
of the
back
woods.
to the same
Yeah, how many
stuff.
times we gotta go back to that?
Popo, he's on the way.
Oh, Donna, goddamn it.
Oh,
Why?
I'm not gonna fuck this. God damn
It's
it.
over.
Fuck. No. God,
It's
damn
not
it.
over.
It's not gonna be over, Bill.
We still have SWF. We still have Creative Pro.
We can only go to Creative. I like to do uploads every damn day. We can only go to Creative Bro once a week. Now put the fucking mask on and let's do a goddamn match. Come on, here.
Yeah, dress it up.
Here we go.
Grim, I'm not doing this.
Freddie, bro, please.
No, I'm not.
can't do this.
Listen, I appreciate
This
I
isn't
appreciate
gonna
everything
last.
you've done for me. I really do. And don't think that I'm gonna go to RWA because I'm not. All right, I'll retire before I go to them. But I'm not doing this.
Why?
Because I'm not subjecting myself to this. Like, it's one thing if we're in a warehouse, a snow brawl, fine. I can go inside and warm up. But dude, come on.
We don't have a fucking choice. We're gonna get a warehouse again. We'll have something.
When you do, call me.
So that's it.
That's it. Kurt Bale's retired until then.
It
Sorry.
ain't over, Bill.
Sorry.
Dalton,
Well, Greb, you know,
come on. I'll put you here.
You can get it.
listen, Greb.
You're used to wearing that mask.
No,
Yeah,
no,
you wear
no.
that one all the time, Dalton.
It's over, man. Come on.
It ain't over.
Come on, Dalton. You of all people, we had fun. That was fun.
Yeah, but it was also sad.
Why?
You ran him over
A
with a lawnmower,
a
man.
lawnmower. Who does
Come
that?
on, that's the
That was
corniest
funny.
thing-
Not
even cut
that's
up.
the corniest thing I've ever seen.
If fucking Joey Janela did it on the Indies, everybody pop for it. You know it.
You're
That's
right.
Joey Janela, though.
Well, why can't Grim? I can't. I'll fucking jump off the truck. I'll jump off the goddamn roof.
Yeah,
Why
you-
can't
Are
I?
you gonna do that every day, Grim?
We did.
We can't do this every day. The weather, it's unpredictable. I'm gonna get sick. I have a real career to look for.
So that's it.
Yeah, man.
What are we gonna do?
It ain't over, Grim. We're gonna get back on top. They didn't win yet.
Fuck this shit! Fuck it up! Fuck this!
Come on.